Hey guys, welcome back to Unknown. Today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Bugatti Chiron. Right now, it recently went out of stock, so it's very hard to find. Now we have opened the box, and we opened the box upside down. Pause. So this is the box. Now we're going to see what's inside. So there's some tape. This is the whole thing. There's some things written inside of the box. Not many people show this. So these are the special Bugatti wheels which Lego made only for this car. Now this is the instruction manual with stickers. There are two of these, and it's a good camouflage effect. Then there are these boxes. So it starts with one. This is two. This is three. 4, 5, and 6. There's another manual. So it starts with part 1 and there's part 2. So there's some story of the Bugatti Chiron. And then it starts. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. I'll post a time-lapse video soon on building this. Okay, so the model has been completed. It took 2 days to make, less than 12 hours. There are special brake plates over here. There's a hood, overnight bag, and there's a special serial number. I won't be showing you my serial number. It's a top speed key. 2 seats inside with the steering wheel, which rotates the front wheels. You can adjust which direction you want to go. Then there are openable doors. There's the gearbox system. And obviously there is a W18 engine covered. There's the switching thing. When it's fully straight, the pistons do not move. Then when it's front, pistons move very less. Yes, I think it's almost started moving. Then when you keep it on max, the pistons will start moving very fast. More brake disc plates. Then there's a custom back with exhausts. Then I can use the top speed key to lift the spoiler